What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Feature Friday, and I've got a special one today. If you don't know Shmuli, he goes by the name Ride More, Talk Less on Instagram, and also known as Spiegel. Let me tell you a little bit about Shmuli. He is one of the OG Two Wheel Tuesday organizers for the motorcycle community, and that's how he met Chris, the owner, designer, creator of Zooz. They are both alumni of the motorcycle community here in New York City, and they became friends over the years. And so when Chris created Zooz, there was a natural fit for Zoozers to show up at the Two Wheel Tuesday events and hang out with Shmuli. And Shmuli was very welcoming, opened up his arms to us and let us in to the motorcycle community. And when we started Electric Wednesdays, it was like the perfect fit to bring the two-wheel aspect of Two Wheel Tuesday into the two-wheel aspect of Electric Wednesday. And so it was a perfect marriage. Funny story about Shmuli. The name Spiegel comes from his restaurant that he owned. It was on like First Avenue in the East Village. I think it was First Avenue, maybe Second. I'm not positive. But I was there once, way back. I did a review for it. I looked through some of my old reviews on JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com, and I saw Shmuli in a picture tending bar when I was there. So funny. So that's coming back. So keep an eye out at Bar Veloce. There's going to be a little side cafe that's going to be Shmuli's Spiegel. So it's coming back. I'm really excited for it. We're definitely going to do some Electric Wednesdays there, and there will definitely be Two Wheel Tuesdays there for sure. I've got some footage here from interviews and some of my videos from way back. Frantic TV has a nice interview of Shmuli from when we started Electric Wednesdays over at House of Machines. So I'll run that, and maybe a couple other clips that I can find buried in my videos. Enjoy.
All right, hoping for a good turnout. Here we go. Oh, I see another Zooz.
How do I,
Hey.
how do I'm learning how to jailbreak that 20 miles per hour.
Yeah, you got to mess around with the settings a little bit.
So you're on.
Hey.
How's it going, man?
Good to see you.
Good to see you, bro.
How's it going?
Good. Waiting on sunshine.
All right.
He's on his way.
Good. Yeah, I'm psyched to see him.
Nice.
I actually wanted to take a look at my brakes.
Is that you?
I had this for a couple weeks. It's little local upholstery shop by me did it.
Where?
Ridge Street.
Okay.
It's not bad.
No.
They actually got the thread a color a little bit wrong, but I wanted like that taxi yellow. It's a little more orange, but it's okay. It's growing on me.
It will get dirty and
yeah, exactly.
In no time. And you're the only person who noticed this. Yeah, excited.
So you have a lot of people showing up today? I know a lot of the electric bike riding groups are going to show. So
that's our crowd. This is who we want.
Perfect.
That's what we want.
Perfect.
Yeah. I want to do a movie night.
Do like Easy Rider.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Tuesday movie night, and have like cars, motorcycles,
awesome,
scooters, bike, like all the aspects of our community come.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Welcome back. This is Felix Mariano for Frantic TV, and today we are at All Electric Bikes. This is something that before this event, it used to be for gas bike. And right here, we have the organizer of the show. We want to know what was the inspiration behind this and a little bit about your background.
So we've been doing the Ride More Talk Less, been doing this motorcycle meetups weekly for about 10 years now. And yeah, it's been going for that long. It's a natural evolvement, It's like I'm riding a Zooz bike, which is like it literally has the DNA of New York motorcycles in its DNA. Cristiano, who's the guy who developed it.
Well, the owner has a background in
he was
motorcycle.
part of our motorcycle community, and he kind of I have to say he kind of introduced me to this concept from the beginning, and I watched it grow, and it's and I got one. I eventually got one, yeah, and I love it. It's it brings out the same passion. It's incredible for the city. I had a restaurant in the East Village called Spiegel on First Avenue and 2nd Street. I came back from a 7-month trip around through Central America. I came back and I kind of opened the restaurant right when I came back. So I had my motorcycle with the stickers from around the world, nice. And it kind of like naturally drew a bunch of motorcycle people. And out of that came the motorcycle meeting, and that kind of, I felt the energy of like building the community and having people and relationships in the community, like friendships that happened there, business work, and it was amazing. It still is incredible. It's amazing to see. And like I said, Chris kind of introduced me to the electric bicycles, and I feel the same passion and the same feeling that I feel with the motorcycles.
So that's it. A great feature Friday. Cheers to Shmuli. This one's for him. Raise a glass, and make sure if you see him at Electric Wednesday, you say hello. Cheers. Ooh, that was a killer. Also, make sure you check out Motor Camp. Shmuli runs a weekend camp festival with off-road vehicles, bikes, dirt bikes, motorcycles. There's a chance for you to learn how to ride up there. Even if you're not into it, it's a great place to go camping. I'm excited. I'm going to do the next one for sure. Maybe we can get a little course for some electric bikes and dirt bikes. That'd be kind of fun. I forgot that this Elijah Craig small batch was barrel proof. That's why it had me almost coughing on my lungs. 63.6, 127.2 proof. Yikes!